This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning we're going to be making oatmeal chocolate chip bars. We're going to need 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 14 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a cup of chocolate chips. So let's get started. This morning I have a helper. My grandson Jack is going to help me cook these oatmeal chocolate chip bars. So Jack, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cooking spray and we're going to spray all around the pan. Now we're going to take this parchment paper and we're going to stick it going this way. And the reason we're doing parchment paper is so we can pull it out easily. So we're going to put this in here. This is a 9x13 pan. We're also going to heat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, Jack, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to our 1½ cups of flour. Perfect. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon, this one. Oh, is it not going to go? Let's open that. I'm sorry. Okay. Perfect. That looks perfect. Just dump it in. And then a half a teaspoon of salt.
Oh, separately.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to whisk this together. Just gently whisk it together so it doesn't fly everywhere. Okay, Jack, we're going to mix together a half a cup of sugar. You can hand me the bowl. 3/4 cup brown sugar. And 14 tablespoons of melted butter.
That's like a lot of butter.
That is a lot of butter. Okay. We're going to grab the mixer and go ahead and mix those together till they're completely combined. We're going to add 2 eggs. Okay.
And number 2.
Nice, one-handed. And a teaspoon of vanilla. So go ahead and measure that. Here's your teaspoon, and here's the vanilla. Okay, that's very good. You can pour it all in. Okay, you're going to go ahead and mix that on low. I'm going to slowly pour in our 1½ cups of flour while you're still beating it. Now that all our flour is in, let's turn it up to high and get those all mixed in. So, Jack, now we're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips.
Oh,
good job.
that's a lot of chocolate chips.
It's a lot of chocolate chips. Let's just gently stir those in. Pretty thick, huh? Then while you're doing that, I'm going to slowly add in the 3 cups of old-fashioned oats.
Quite a bit of oats.
Quite a bit of oats.
They look delicious.
It smells really good, huh?
Looks good too.
Do you want to show them what the batter looks like? It looks pretty good. Okay, let's get our pan. Okay, our batter is ready. We're going to put our batter into our prepared pan. So here, I'll hold this, and you can just scoop it out. At this point, it's okay to use your hands, Jack, because we're going to be patting this down with our hands. and the batter is super sticky. You want me to get this in the pan?
What?
You want me to
Sure.
get it? Okay. Looks super good. When I was a girl, we used to eat cookie batter, cake batter. People don't usually do that anymore.
They're like the eggs.
Exactly. Okay, let's go wet our hands because you're going to need to press this down, but it is so sticky that it's going to stick to your hands if you don't wet them. All right. Okay, Jack, now with your wet hands, smooth this across the pan and try to make it even. I'll hold this if you need. Kind of like this. Press it down. Yeah.
But then like move it while you're doing it.
Yeah.
When you feel like you didn't wash.
It would be disgusting if you didn't wash your hands.
Like, no, you forgot to wash your hands.
Always wash your hands before you cook.
You did a great job on that side. I'm not doing very
I
well.
think it looks, let's look at it. I think it looks pretty good.
We're gonna bake this for 25 minutes at 350 degrees.
We've taken our chocolate chip oatmeal bars out of the oven. How do they look?
They look amazing.
How do they smell?
They smell amazing.
We're gonna let these cool completely before we serve. These oatmeal chocolate chip bars turned out amazing. Unfortunately, Jack had to leave for a football game before they were completely cooled down. But thank you, Jack, for helping me make these delicious bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.